Welcome to the Friday edition of the Tech Stocks Daily Podcast, where we dive deep into the pulse of the tech stock market. Today, we're unpacking an electrifying mix of news that has the tech giants like Tesla navigating through its roller coaster ride, Apple possibly joining forces with Google in a game-changing AI partnership, Google pushing the boundaries with its innovative AI advancements, and AMD caught in a gripping investor drama. From strategic pivots to bullish forecasts and intriguing speculation, we've got the insights that shape the future of tech investments. So plug in as we dissect the highs and lows dictating the rhythms of the NASDAQ's biggest names, preparing you for what lies ahead in the bustling world of tech. Let's get into it. In a whirlwind of events firmly placing Tesla at the center of the technological and automotive universe today, the EV titan's actions, announcements, and the swirling debates around its strategic choices have sparked widespread discussions and analysis. Tesla, under the unparalleled scrutiny reserved for innovators, courting controversy and pushing boundaries, finds itself navigating through troubled waters and potential winds of change, all while maintaining its posture as a beacon of progress in the electric vehicle landscape. The heart of today's discussions can be traced back to Ross Gerber, a well-known Tesla investor and a vocal participant in the discourse surrounding the company. Gerber, caught in a tug-of-war between admiration and critique, recently spotlighted the ongoing tensions between him and Tesla's enigmatic CEO, Elon Musk. This relationship has undulated over time, influenced by Musk's intriguing management style and Tesla's operational challenges. Notably, Gerber's notification of Rivian, a burgeoning competitor, fulfilling his R1S order, despite his ongoing wait for Tesla's Cybertruck, aided fresh debates on brand loyalty and market competition. This move signals the shifting dynamics within the EV market, as consumers and investors alike navigate their affiliations amidst burgeoning alternatives. Tesla's narrative, however, is far from one-dimensional. The company reportedly grapples with the challenges mirroring those of a protagonist in a high-stakes drama. Significant delivery misses, a stock price navigating through tumultuous waters, and intense scrutiny about its ambitious yet possibly troubled fiscal trajectory. The reported issues with Tesla's Q1 deliveries, cited as one of its worst nightmare quarters by some analysts, add layers of complexity to its market stance and emphasize the growing pains of a disruptor in an increasingly competitive landscape. Even as Tesla faces these challenges head-on, the drama unfolds with Tesla leveraging partnerships and technology to defend its reputation, particularly in legal arenas where the safety of its autopilot system is under scrutiny. Meanwhile, buoyant voices in the investor community throw a light of optimism, suggesting an anticipated 88% upside in Tesla's stock, underscoring a deep belief in its long-term potential despite immediate hurdles and a shrunken stock price. Adding to the spectacle, controversy stirs around Tesla's ambitious plans for a $25,000 electric car, a beacon of hope for mainstream EV adoption, while rumors swirl about its potential reassessment. Concurrently, Tesla's geographical ambitions reverberate with states vying to become the home of its next big project, hinting at Tesla's unwavering intent to expand its footprint. In sum, Tesla's journey today encapsulates the essence of innovation with its highs and lows, contested visions, and perpetual motion towards progress. Whether buffeted by harsh criticism or buoyed by unshakable support, Tesla remains, undeniably, a focal point of contemporary debates on transportation, technology, and sustainability, destined to shape the future one electrified mile at a time. Today, Apple has been making headlines across various spectrums of the tech world, demonstrating both the expansive reach of its endeavors and the challenges it faces amidst an ever-evolving industry landscape. First off, a seismic partnership appears to be in the making, signaling a potential union of tech titans Google and Apple. Word has it that Google is in dialogue with Apple to bake its Gemini AI into the iPhone ecosystem. This possible collaboration underscores a strategic pivot for both parties. Google attains a valuable platform to redeem its AI stature, while Apple aims to leapfrog onto the AI bandwagon, not having its own competitive AI platform to date. On another front, analyst circles are buzzing with debates concerning Apple's speculated venture into personalized home robots. Gene Munster and Dan Ives represent the poles of this debate. Munster sees potential but minimal likelihood for a near-term product realization, while Ives outrightly dismisses the notion, urging Apple to channel its resources towards bolstering its AI capabilities, a sentiment reflecting the market's expectation for tech giants in the current era. Bob Iger, Disney's CEO, reminisced about a what-could-have-been scenario where a merger between Apple and Disney might have come to fruition had Steve Jobs not passed away. This reflection offers a glimpse into the intertwined relationships and visions shared by industry leaders, which, under different circumstances, could have reshaped the entertainment and tech landscapes. The economic performance basis revealed mixed signals. While Apple introduced innovations and expanded its services, key suppliers like Foxconn reported a dip in revenue, painting a complex picture of Apple's supply chain resilience amidst global market fluctuations. Adding a strand to the narrative of strategic evaluations, Apple reportedly axed its car and next-generation display projects, translating into the layoff of over 600 employees, a move underscoring the harsh realities of product development life cycles and market readiness. Through strategic collaborations, rumored innovations, leadership reflections, tough operational decisions, and its place within the broader ecosystem, Apple maintains its role as a central figure in technology discourse, epitomizing the multifaceted journey of sustaining innovation and market leadership. Today, Google found itself spotlighted in the tech news for a variety of developments that underscore the company's growing influence and ambitious endeavors in AI, digital marketing, video streaming, and addressing hardware glitches. At the center of these narratives is a portrayal of Google not just as a tech behemoth, but as an innovator pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the digital realm, albeit not without encountering some hitches along the way. Dan Ives of Wedbush shed a substantial light on Google, particularly noting that the AI revolution, coupled with an improving ad spending environment, is set to catalyze a 15% rally in tech stocks for 2024. Google, according to Ives, stands poised to significantly benefit from this trend, especially in digital advertising, expecting a $30 to $40 upside for the giant driven by its ad revenues and cloud sector endeavors. This optimism is signified amidst the backdrop of an industry-wide anticipation of how AI-powered tools like Google's Gemini AI are revolutionizing sectors ranging from advertising to cloud computing. Meanwhile, on a consumer-facing front, YouTube, owned by Alphabet, Google's parent company, chose to make waves by enhancing the live video streaming experience at Coachella 2024 with its multi-view feature. This innovation allows users to watch up to 4 stages simultaneously, signaling Google's commitment to enriching digital experiences and making considerable strides in how content is consumed online. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Despite these advancements, Google faces challenges, as highlighted by a glitch attributed to them affecting the touchscreen functionality of Samsung's recently updated Galaxy S23 series smartphones. Furthermore, encryption in communication takes a leap forward as Google tests AI-generated email replies in Gmail for Android, bringing the efficiency and intelligence of Gemini AI directly to its users' fingertips. Concurrently, around the globe of policy and ethical AI use, Google navigates the intricacies of content manipulation, as evidenced by debates around AI-driven models like Sora, facing scrutiny over potential violations of YouTube's policy and broader questions around data use and privacy. In essence, Google's multifaceted news presence today paints a picture of a company at the forefront of technological evolution, simultaneously driving and adapting to the fast-paced changes shaping the digital age. Whether enhancing user engagement through live event streaming enhancements, spearheading the next wave of AI in business with Gemini AI, or tackling unforeseen challenges in software integration, Google's activities undeniably leave an indelible mark on the tech landscape. All right, folks, let's sum up why Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, was lighting up the tech headlines today. We rove through the world of options trading, noting a fascinating bear versus bull scenario playing out behind the scenes. With a mix of bullish and bearish stances, it's clear that AMD is sitting at a crossroads, with its investors eyeing price windows between $145 to $200, signaling some intriguing expectations for the company's future. Then, we pivoted to a more strategic angle, observing AMD's somewhat shaky footing after its stock dipped by 23%. Juxtaposed against its major gains thanks to AI advancements over the year. Despite challenges, including a potential exclusion from the massive Chinese market, optimism isn't waning. Indicators suggest the stock might be rallying for a rebound as analysts reinforce their positive outlooks, echoing sentiments of AMD being on the cusp of a catch-up play. Capping it all, we got a deep dive into AMD's technical forecasts with a spotlight on the MI300 chip. Pegged for substantial growth and anticipated success in the server market, AMD seems poised to claim significant ground in both performance and market share, especially with a promising outlook in inference applications and the server CPU inventory bouncing back. As the curtains close on AMD's whirlwind of a day in tech news, I'm eager to hear your thoughts. Has AMD got the mettle to weather its current challenges and come out stronger? Could this be the ideal time for investors to jump in, considering its potential for a sharp rebound? Share your insights, predictions, and any burning questions down in the comments. Let's get this conversation rolling. Today's market sentiment for major tech companies trading on the NASDAQ is a vibrant tapestry of optimism, skepticism, innovation, and robust strategic movements, reflecting the dynamic essence of the technology sector. Starting with Tesla, the sentiment is mixed, but leans towards cautious optimism amidst challenges. Tesla navigates through what's described as one of its worst nightmare quarters, with significant delivery misses and stock turbulence. However, the market's response appears buoyantly optimistic in the long term, with predictions of an 88% upside despite the immediate hurdles. This reveals a deep-rooted belief in Tesla's innovativity and its pivotal role in shaping the future of EVs, even as it faces increasing competition and operational challenges. For Apple, sentiments are largely speculative and analytical, reflecting both the potential for groundbreaking partnerships and innovations alongside strategic reassessments and operational recalibrations. The rumored collaboration with Google over Gemini AI and debates around entering the home robots market point towards Apple's ambition to sustain its innovation trajectory. However, reflections on missed merger opportunities and the cutting of ambitious projects temper these with a note of cautious strategizing and navigating the incredibly competitive tech landscape. Google exudes a sentiment of strategic dominance, particularly with AI and digital marketing, juxtaposed with the challenges of integrating cutting-edge technology flawlessly. The anticipation of AI revolutionizing sectors and the enhancements in YouTube's user engagement functionalities speak to Google's innovative edge. At the same time, the company contends with hardware glitch setbacks, showcasing the intricacies of pioneering in technology while ensuring quality and user trust. Advanced Micro Devices presents a battleground of sentiment, pitting bullish optimism against bearish caution, underpinned by strategic plays in AI and the server market. AMD's narrative is one of resilience and potential turnaround, with the stock's mixed performance and strategic challenges seen as prelude to what could be a significant rebound, especially with advancements like the MI300 chip laying the groundwork for future successes. In summary, the overall market sentiment today is complex, straddling innovation-driven optimism and the pragmatism of overcoming immediate challenges. It's a narrative of tech giants wrestling with the demands of foresight, strategic agility, and operational excellence in a market that remains fervently expectant of their next leaps forward. Conversations around these companies encapsulate the high-stakes drama of technological progress, with each player navigating its own set of trials and triumphs, pointing towards a collective march into a future replete with both uncertainty and unbound potential. Diving into the ever-changing landscape of the tech market, this week saw its fair share of highs, lows, and intriguing developments that may very well shape the trajectory for the week to come. As we wrap up, it's prime time to speculate, with a good dose of educated guesswork on where the waves might carry us next. Starting with Tesla, the narrative swings between concern and optimism. Despite the recent challenges, including delivery misses and the autopilot scrutiny, the investor community seems to have a glimmer of hope, banking on an 88% upside. This heartbeat of optimism amidst the storm signals that Tesla may continue to capture attention, rallying supporters who see long-term potential beyond immediate hurdles. Expect next week to possibly usher in more discussions on market dynamics and consumer loyalty, especially with competition intensifying in the EV sector. Apple's scenario is particularly captivating, with the buzz around potential AI collaborations and ventures into uncharted territories like home robots. Yet the mix of innovation and strategic recalibrations, accentuated by layoffs and ambitious projects, hints at a period of introspection for Apple. This could mean the coming week might bring more clarity on its strategic directions, potentially with announcements or leaks further shedding light on its AI ambitions and how it plans to navigate its supply chain complexities amidst uncertain global market dynamics. Google, on its front, is showcasing assertive strides in AI, digital experiences, and addressing the intricacies of technology integration. With the anticipation of AI significantly shifting the digital advertising and cloud computing landscapes, there's a palpable buzz that Google may soon announce new advancements or applications of its Gemini AI. Furthermore, as it tweaks and refines its offerings, from Gmail's AI-generated emails to enhancing YouTube's live streaming capabilities, be on the lookout for potential updates or improvements launched in the wake of user and market feedback. AMD's bear versus bull scenario plays out like a cliffhanger, with analysts suggesting a catch-up play may be in the cards. Given the technical forecasts and focus on the MI300 chip's potential, the coming week might bear witness to more detailed insights or performance benchmarks that could sway sentiment more definitively. Keep an eye on any strategic moves or partnerships that AMD might lean into to bolster its stand in the competitive market. Overall, the pulsating energy of innovation, strategic reevaluations, and the sheer unpredictability of tech advancements and market responses make for a riveting forward look. As optimism tussles with cautionary tales, strategic maneuvers, AI advancements, and on-the-edge competition frame a narrative ripe with anticipation. The stage is set not just for responses to current developments, but for bold leaps that could very well redefine market standings. Prepare for a week where every update, every hint at innovation, and every strategic pivot could ripple across the tech ecosystem, potentially igniting fresh dialogues, reshaping consumer expectations, and painting a new picture of the future as it unfolds. In a buzzing day of tech market activity, we've seen titans like Tesla navigating through the chop as it dominates EV conversations, Apple stirring the pot with strategic shifts and potential AI alliances, Google flexing its AI and digital experience muscles, and AMD caught in a tantalizing investor drama. Each narrative, from strategic hurdles to optimistic forecasts, weaves a broader story of a tech sector in relentless pursuit of innovation, amidst the highs and lows of market and operational challenges. Today's discussions serve as a vivid snapshot of the tech market's dynamic landscape, reflecting a blend of visionary pursuits, strategic recalibrations, and the unyielding spirit of innovation that drives these giants. As we wrap up, the anticipation for what next week holds is palpable, promising more developments, strategic plays, and perhaps game-changing announcements. Let's keep the conversation going. If you found today's summary insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends and fellow tech enthusiasts. Be sure to return on Monday for another dose of all things tech. Have a fantastic weekend, and let's all stay plugged into the future, one electrifying tech story at a time.